Sir, Your Excellency, Governor Model, you said that people there abroad now they sponsor protests.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
With the current situation, now you know, see, Your Excellency, you know what's that video where that soldier might take carry gun shoot person. Allegedly, they said that happen. Now, person, Your Excellency, are you trying to send a person from abroad? I said that soldier bullet made it die innocent citizens. Whether that boy they are alive now, you don't that we don't know. Kai, may they put this governor for sure. This governor is so nah. Your Excellency, you are running low. They need to put you for so many shots. You can't tell me you are a normal person you use blood. Now, solar you be. What's that person with this? Sir, Your Excellency, people are bleeding, people are dying, people. Insecurity not be one for our state. Edo State, we not did not. Edo State, not the worst, the past Borno State. Your Excellency, you said that people from my brother that sponsor the protest. Sir, you are running low. I feel too calm. Even the things say that electric now you people, you not be that solar you be. They need to put you for storm. But yeah, which kind of governor is this? But the river almost but yeah.
Your Excellency, you are wrong. Oh boy. You guys think Your Excellency, you are running low. May they put he said, may they put the governor for sun. Solar, not electricity. But these guys are very funny. You know, these guys are comedians. Oh boy, I saw this video this morning. Oh, but I don't feel control myself where they do exercise. I said I must post this video. The problem of this, guys, is that, you know, we have said it time without number. Time will come. The son of the soil will start telling you people the truth. No matter how long the lie lasts, truth must go. Truth must always catch up with it. As it is now, everybody is now telling the Edo State people the truth, including their own brothers, their own son, whether it's from Awuchi or whether it's from this thing. The kingdom is already made public. Youths with misplaced priorities. During the time their campaign for the governorship election was on, instead of these guys to look for who will be their governor and represent them, they were busy castigating or supporting the Oba, because that time is the time they could propose for a normal state. Look at it now. They leave what they're supposed to be fighting for and be fighting us. See where their governor has landed them.
That's election matters. I will be surprised if the people that went to beat Don Pedro are brought to book. There are higher authorities that are in their favor. We see their faces. As at this morning, if the governor has not stepped in or ordered arrests, then there's a level of complicity in the state. Third point, Edo has become the home for barbarity under this administration. Was it not how they behaved when they were opening the Ibinu Museum, the Mowa Museum, that they went there, disrupted where international people were there, international investors? It has become the home for barbarity. We saw the faces of those that abducted Don Pedro. Yes, if nobody picks up those people and they are in police custody today and they are cooling off their heels in police custody, then Edo is, I'm sorry, shall I use the word, finished with barbarity. Let's keep deceiving ourselves.
I read one of the comments, someone saying that every time bad news from Edo State.
As usual, now elections matter. Elections matter.
We told people that this is information age. Once the information gets to people, the truth, people know that these things are real, they will frown against it. This is not the 12th century where you cook up story. You know, I keep saying it, that the reason why we are against what Benin's are portraying It's not because we are enemy of the palace. It's not because we are enemy of Edo State. No, we are all one Nigeria as it is now. Exactly. But when you rub this evil of your ancient father, the supremacy on our face, it makes bad. We said it that Africa were enslaved because some of our forefathers betrayed their own brothers. I saw a video where some Africans in Kenya were leading an elephant called Greg, and people were saying this giant of the jungle, this guy has subdued it that they can give him command. Even lions can be given command. And some people are saying, how did the white men colonize us? The white men wasn't able to colonize us or even sell us for slavery. The truth is that it's our own brothers, our African brothers, that sold us for slavery. But why we, the present day, are frowning at those who did that is because after your forefather has committed atrocity, selling their fellow human being in exchange for a bottle of shinap, you still in the 21st century are rubbing it on our face, telling us, if now those days if we don't sell for slave, we use their slave. As in, you are bragging over evil. You are bragging over ignorance, because how can your forefather equate their fellow human being just for a bottle of shinap, just to hide? He said his own fellow human being. And then you want us to say we are all the same. You want us to accept that we are from Benin. You want us to accept the origin. Say you are our ancestor and we are descendants. How can you, an ancestor, sell us your descendants as slave? So it doesn't make sense. And this is why we are speaking against the palace, or speaking against the Benin history. We are not trying to change the narrative, but we are telling you it is not possible that you could have committed all these things against your own descendants. It's not possible. Benin, no, they say Benin. But like we have already established, that time will come, the son of the soul will start telling you the truth. And people will start speaking against whatever is happening in those states. This is the governor they brought in order to remove the Obaseki because he has a problem with the palace. But the governor now is disgracing he's disgracing the entire palace and the entire everything. He's making everybody to know, say, this kingdom is built on falsehood and propaganda and lies. And instead of some of you to confront the issue, put your house in order. No. I was laugh when I see this thing this morning. You know, the guy said the governor need to be put. He knew the governor to recharge on that. So anyway, it is all over. I thank God that in Anyoma today, the Abo man that is on social media does not say he comes from Benin again. No, that story we have been able to squash it. I told you it will not fly in 21st century and nobody is buying into it. We have been able to destroy that story. What we are having as a problem in Anyoma today is Eka people saying Eka is Eka and Igbo is Igbo. No, we are coming to that. But we have been able to establish this fact that none of us came from Benin. None of us came from Benin. I mean, none of us are Benin descendants. None. We don't have anything in common. We know there are some people among us who migrated from Benin, but they don't have the right to decide our ancestry, our progenitors, our origin. We are Igbo. Even though some of us are still saying Eka is Eka, Okwan is Okwan, but we are all Igbos. Because if you ask an Okwan man, they say, we are not Igbo because Igbo means slave in our language. But you are bearing a slave name. You are bearing the slave name. Afa Igbo Amechi, Afa Igbo Ezechi, Afa Igbo Nnamdi. So if Igbo means slave, why are you bearing the slave name? Abi they not teach you say you're not supposed to bear the name of the slave. Now the name of the master is supposed to bear. Abi they don't teach you. Benny, you supposed by now know that you are in error. Is in a language, Igbo means slave. But they bear the slave name. They practice the slave culture. They eat the slave food. And be speaking grammar, it looks similar. Why you know? Make sure that your language and everything looks similar to the master where you come from, which is Benin. You are not looking similar to the slave. Did the slave conquer you? Did the slave defeated you? Did the slave force you? But because this is who you are just living in ignorance. What the next video and see where Benin guy they tell the palace say nothing they happen. Say na here we dey. This kingdom don't they open. The lies will not fly in 21st century. What is hidden will be made public in the sun. Nah, about of here, Joy. We are gonna win this battle.
The world knows already he's a crackhead. He does drugs. I will say everything about him. I don't have them to hide. I don't have respect for him. I have respect for the tradition, not for him, because he's a tyrant. Everything he's doing it like the way they do it in North Korea. Succession, destroy the former guards, pick your new guards, and pick all your, your king likes, what he likes most is allegiance. Everybody should give him allegiance. Association of my people will come, he will get allegiance from them. Black House came to the palace to give him allegiance. Buccaneer will come, pirate will come. Which other king has done something like that? None. So if people don't shut up, I will keep talking and I will expose everything, things that he did not even know. What did they worry you now? Iran wahiasi kokoyi wegene. Iran wahiasi kokoyi base. Or wegene. Now your king dey on top. Obama tamame. Ire babatai. Ire babatai. Ihon. Now people will get head for the kingdom. All those warlords will call themselves juju people. Send this message to them. If they hear and they go fear. Nobody said it to me. I was there when it was spoken. Odida. Ikiale here. Ekenwana do me to boni. Ila here. I've been there. With the palm front on at the bend enter. With the smoky dirty place. I come there to act. I come there to hold people accountable in spirit. Iran wahia si kokoyi wegene. Oba me ma. That is his problem. Amata mami, I was there when he was spoken. Ibinu na gbina seva. Ive bege here. Ive bege wa no win. Ehwe mugwa. Wa anything wa mo. You people operate on fear. And you operate, you take on the unsuspecting ones because they are ignorant. No wonder the Bible said the sins of ignorance are worse than the sins of death. They take advantage of you people, they work you. I am the 1%. I'm not 99. I am the 1%. Which power did that palace? Because I store dead bodies there. Spiritism is not get what they do for me. I will expose and disgrace you all. All those who bony asigidi, all those stupid things. You have to hold your dogs of war. You crackhead king. Hold your dogs of war. You came as a Christian, but now your boy you are yeki. My your boy you are yeki. The people's allegiance is your power, and they are stripping it from you one by one. Why I mean also know you don't feel her. So you don't fall. Now people's allegiance, that be the power of the king. Learn from your father. If I advise you, the elders that should have been advising you, you suspended them all. Because you are a tyrant. You think the kingdom is a political kingdom. You are a useless king. I'm coming and I will come and talk to you. You have to talk to me. Iran wayasi kokoyi ogwegene omama tamame ire baba tai. I was present. Why I try me? Why my was